Welcome to our latest video. In this session, we'll explore the effective use of the simple present tense in medical communication, accompanied by practical examples relevant to healthcare settings. Let's begin by understanding what the simple present tense is. The simple present tense is used to describe actions, habits, facts, or truths that occur regularly or are generally true. It plays a vital role in expressing routines, schedules, and professional instructions. In medical communication, the simple present tense is essential for several purposes: documenting patient observations, giving clear and precise instructions, explaining medical conditions or procedures, providing professional updates in healthcare settings. 1. Describing symptoms. Healthcare professionals, such as doctors and nurses, frequently use the simple present tense to document or ask about a patient's current symptoms. Examples: the patient complains of chest pain. He reports difficulty breathing. She experiences headaches every morning. 2. Giving instructions. Medical professionals often use the simple present tense to provide clear and direct instructions to patients or colleagues. Examples: take this medication twice a day after meals. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Follow a balanced diet and exercise regularly. 3. Explaining procedures or conditions. It is used to explain ongoing or general truths about medical conditions or treatments. Example: the procedure takes about 30 minutes. The condition requires immediate attention. The vaccine protects against severe illnesses. 4. Documenting routine tasks. Healthcare professionals describe daily tasks or routines in the workplace. Example: the nurse checks the patient's vitals every morning. The receptionist schedules all follow-up appointments. The team conducts safety rounds daily at 8 a.m. 5. Communicating facts or protocols. Medical staff often use the simple present tense to convey universal facts or organizational rules. Examples: the hospital provides free vaccinations during flu season. Hand hygiene prevents infections. Regular exercise improves overall health. Why use simple present tense in medical communication? It ensures clarity and precision. It conveys facts and instructions effectively. It standardizes professional documentation and discussions. Here are some more examples using simple present tense. Doctor-patient interaction. The doctor asks about the patient's symptoms. The patient describes a persistent cough. A nurse explains how to use the inhaler. Administrative communication. The clinic opens at 9 a.m. daily. The staff checks all appointments before the day starts. By mastering the simple present tense, medical professionals can communicate effectively and confidently, whether it's documenting patient care, giving instructions, or explaining medical facts. Want more examples or scenarios? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on medical communication.